Good afternoon, everyone. I am pretty fucking pumped today. Today is the day we get this beast running. I'm sick of it sitting here. I'm sick of it doing nothing. I'm gonna drift it a little today, not gonna go crazy. We're gonna drift it a little. We're gonna get it to the shop, and we're gonna start working on the fucking thing, and we're gonna get it tuned. That is my goal for the end of the week. Probably not gonna happen, I know, but I just wanna say it to get it out there, to tell you guys my goals, even though my goals don't usually come true. So, going to the shop, easing out those stuck bolts in the pulley, driving back here, pointing it in, drifting, driving, having fun. I'm gonna try to pick up Anton. I think he's cleaning his shed right now, or his garage, whatever you wanna call that. And let's go. I'm telling you, Slim Jim, get at me. Give me a couple grand a month. We can be best friends. I can do all the advertising for you. I love your product, guys. Just sponsor me. Okay, so we're at the shop right now. Dom just spent a good time getting all these out. How was it?
One sucked.
One sucked, so we couldn't get one out no matter how hard we tried, but he was able to get these three. So what we did was we red Loctited them, and he even grinded this down, so these fuckers are never coming out. And I can now go home, I can put this on the car, and we can drive it here. Hopefully it doesn't break, but I've been skating a little. Just want to show you a couple tricks. I've been getting them locked down.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on, don't pause it. Let's see if I can get two in a row right now. I can't even land it like that. Alright, I'm going home. We're getting the Miata, I'm done with that. No, we were doing so good. It just came back. I drove like probably 50 miles with this off, and now it's coming back, man. Alright, I'm ordering ABS sensors tonight. That is it. I am done fucking around. I'm gonna order them off ECS right now. Oh, now you wanna fuck with me, huh? Now you're just gonna disappear like you never fucking showed. Well, motherfucker, I got you on camera, bitch. 45 minutes, we are back at my house. We got the crank pulley here. I am now gonna be putting this whole thing back together. I gotta put the timing covers back on, the water pump pulley back on, the crank pulley back on, then I gotta tighten the serpentine belt, and we should be ready to drift. So let's get to it, and it should be done right about now. All right, well, good news is she's all back together. Bad news is it has some type of vacuum leak, and it doesn't idle by itself. I tried to adjust the idler. That didn't do shit, but it's okay because I plan on doing the intake manifold anyways. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna bring this around the block and see if this puppy can make some boost. Well, this thing is nice and disgusting. This needs a fucking huge detail, and there's water inside the car, which is fancy. Let's see if this thing starts right up. All right, we're gonna go to Anton's house. I don't know why it says the brake's still on, it's not. Okay, we just spun up the hill. I don't know what the hell happened with that, but we just spun first gear, which is not like an FMU Miata, but I'm gonna wait till Anton's in the car so we have better filming. Great, this piece of junk was just registering that I was overheating, which now it's not. I just wanna go check everything. I don't think this wastegate's hooked up because I broke up in third and it felt like it was ready to fucking take off like a rocket ship. It looks like it's hooked up. Everything looks normal. Crank pulley's still on. Everything is still on. I mean, nothing's sizzling. I guess I'm just gonna say fuck it and run it. I don't know. I'm curious on why it feels so fast. It shouldn't feel this fast at all. Alright, so I don't know what the fuck's going on with this thing, but this thing is way too fast right now. Check this out. This is first or second. It's starting to break up too. Usually it was spinning. I don't know why it didn't spin that time, but this thing There's no wastegate right now. It's just open. It's just letting all the boost in that it can handle with the fuel. And I don't know why, because it's connected. It's kind of making me nervous over here. But here we are. Dude, I don't know what happened to this thing, but it's a race car now.
Yeah?
It's fast. It's like gonna blow up fast.
No.
Dude, it spins first and second.
Well, it did before.
Like spin, like smashing lead limiter, spinning tire.
I want to try.
Here, get in first. Is it faster?
That's exactly what it was like before.
Really?
Why is it smoking?
What do you wear? I don't know, just a little oil. I'm telling you, this thing's gonna fucking blow up, man.
I want to try.
Recording somewhere?
What?
Are you actually recording? You're just
Yeah,
like,
no, I'm recording.
I know, but were you recording something?
No, I was recording you, and then I go like this.
Okay.
Are you gonna let me drive now?
Hold on, I'm kind of having fun.
Does this mean I get it back?
No, fuck you! I've been fucking slaving on this thing for 2 days. It's misfiring. Or flooded with fuel. Is that still tire smoke or is that oil? Now you're making me nervous.
No, it's oil.
It's not on fire.
Hope not, dude. It's bad. Is this thing gonna be sitting in my house for another year?
Still got oil pressure. Hold on. Is that tire?
That was tire.
That was tire?
I think.
Alright, let's just check this thing out real quick. Because I'm kind of getting a little stressed now.
The Hyundai doesn't blow smoke.
Yeah, this is blowing a lot of smoke. Let me see. This is chaos. I wish we had my other camera for that, but whatever. It's all blow by from that. I wonder why. These motor mounts are shot, dude. Oh my! Did we put motor mounts in this thing?
Probably not.
That is so bad.
That crank pulley's still moving quite a bit.
Yeah, that's fine. Don't worry about it. I fixed it, all right?
Just saying.
Don't worry about it. There's red Loctite on it.
Job riding on.
Yeah. You know what? Dom got those out. You gonna call Dom a hack?
No,
You gonna
I'm
do
saying
it?
you
Are you gonna do it?
Dom, you're a hack.
No. No, get the fuck out of my house.
You're in my house.
What?
You're overheating.
How do you know? Dude, what'd you do to my car?
The breather. You're overheating.
What did you do to my car, dude? When we built it, it was fine. Now it's a piece of shit now that I own it. You fucked me.
Yeah, dude, I fucked you. Oh, great.
Great. So I think it was overheating before because I didn't burp it out or anything. I kind of just poured a bunch of water in it, capped it off, and started hitting boost right away. So it started overheating. So now we just have the cap off. We're letting it bubble out. As you can see, there's a lot of bubbles still. Yeah, no distilled in this one, baby. I don't know why there's so much oil coming out of the crankcase. It's making me kind of nervous. I'd hate to have to do rings on this thing. It's kind of not worth it to me. And Anton fucked me. He sold me a lemon. That's what he did. You sold me a lemon.
Oh my gosh.
You sold me a lemon.
Fine, I'll take it back.
You got that 500?
Yeah.
I don't want to give it back. I'm already fucked anyways. It's my engine. So, no deal. We'll figure it out. Throw down in the comments what you guys think it is. I'm praying to God that it's not rings. One of the bolts on the valve cover was loose, so I tightened that, and I'm kind of just like letting it run to see like maybe the crankcase will just go away. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. So I was pretty motivated to go to the shop with the Miata, but I think the valves or the rings are bad because it's smoking up a storm. I just went to the gas station, got some gas. I'm gonna do a couple pulls for you guys, and you can see how much oil actually comes out of the rear. here we go. You can already start it. You can already see. Ready? Goodbye rings, baby! Alright, never mind. Not goodbye rings. Goodbye engine. Good thing I got a fire extinguisher in here.
Oh, fuck.
Get that ready, dude. Get that ready. Get that ready. Get that ready. It's on fire. Get. Use it.
Fuck. Fuck, this thing's almost out.
Dude,
This thing's out.
get water.
Fuck.
Don't get too close. Don't get too close. Back up.
Yeah. Fuck. That was sketchy. Holy fuck.
It's going out. It's going out.
I inhaled so much of that shit.
No, it is. Slowly. I thought it was going to catch on fire.
I think it's just the gas underneath it burning.
It's just the gas underneath. We're good. Just grab some water. It's out. Almost. Do not open that hood, whatever you do.
This thing's on fire bad.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. It's bad. It's not the gas anymore, it's the car.
Dude. Okay, well, that ended very south. I did not expect that to happen.
Dude, can you get off my girlfriend's car before you catch that thing on fire too?
You're probably right. I blame you, honestly.
Listen,
I blame you.
I was driving it. It was fine.
I told you from the beginning that this thing was going to catch on fire because of your hackness. Okay?
Listen.
I'm driving down the road, dude.
Stop for me.
I almost just caught on fire. I'm going to replay the clip.
Oh fuck.
Get that ready, dude. Get that ready. Get that ready. Get that ready. I almost caught on fire.
And you said, here we go, rings, baby. Matt. Oh, goodbye engine.
And then I gave it a little gas. It was flooded with gas, and I just gave it a little just to try to move. Anyway,
I drove it for how long?
I don't know how.
It was fine.
Well, I don't know, man.
Operator error.
No.
I do have an easy fix for this.
What?
Excavator.
Excavator. No, because the turbo's still good, definitely. The fire happened over there because of Anton's hackness. Dude, I'm so mad about that FMU, dude. You have no idea.
Listen, I don't know why I'm getting blamed for this all of a sudden.
Dude, you knew this was gonna happen. That's why you wanted out of it. You spent all that money on the tools. You have money, dude. You lied to me. You lied, dude. You wanted that quick 500. He's like, this is gonna blow up on Chris. It's gonna be funny. That's what you thought.
I wish I had the money you guys think I have. Okay? Because I would have no worries.
So, yeah, this thing's toast. Hopefully the coilovers are good. That one's probably crispy. But other than that, I guess it makes for a cool video. I mean, kind of bummed a little. I wanted to tune it on Thursday, but let's be honest, I think the rings were bad anyways, so. Rip another Miata. Dude, I can't build turbo Miatas. The green one is started to be mint, got stolen. This one I finally bought back from Anton because thought it wasn't a lemon, And yeah, it caught on fire.
Can we just talk about this for a minute?
Yeah, sure.
If I remember correctly, you helped me build this, right?
I did, and I told you not to do that.
What else was I gonna do?
We could have swapped the manifolds, but you, Mr. Anton, wanted to. That hurt my foot so bad. You have no idea.
Listen, when we did this, we both wanted to get it running, right?
I told you to fix that.
No, we wanted to hit boost bad.
Did I not?
Hold on.
You have the intake in there.
Yes, because I was waiting to fix it, right?
You were waiting.
Yes, because I hadn't been to your shop yet because the crank pulley was bad. So I'm pretty pissed off that I'm getting blamed for this.
To be honest, I'm just messing with you. I don't really care.
I mean.
I'm just happy that everything's kind of good.
I have a sick pair of jumper here.
I still have my turbo, and kind of bummed that I have to like figure out how to get this thing out of here. Is that gonna shut?
Yeah.
What a shit show. Where it all ended, right here.
So literally, where I'm standing is where the motor of the car was. If you guys look up there, that's my house.
We were so close.
You literally had 100 feet.
We were so close. You think I was like raging it, but dude, it was like when it first backfired, the throttle wasn't really working, so I tried to give it a little gas. Right when I did that, it kind of like, it reacted. You're texting when we're filming, you asshole.
I'm doing important stuff for you. For everybody who cares, gotta do that.
Dude, thank God. That John Deere one was disgusting.
I'll wear time.
I'm kind of pissed that you're wearing boots, though.
Well, I'm gonna tell you.
To be honest, I am just happy that my sandwich made it out alive. It's nice and warm. It's toasty.
Post a video as I almost burned my sandwich.
No. That's not clickbait enough. I hope this isn't filled with like toxins, but it's pretty warm.
It's toasted.
Tastes like a fire.
No, it doesn't.
Take a bite.
What is it?
It's turkey.
It's got tomatoes on it.
Tell me it doesn't taste like a fire.
Dude, it smells like a fire.
Taste it.
I'm taking the tomato off.
You are such a bitch, dude. Just taste it.
I'm taking the tomato off.
All I tasted was like ash.
You're fighting me.
Are you serious?
I eat this every day.
But you do taste like the fireness. I forgot, you're a redneck. You don't give a fuck. So now I'm actually pissed. My sandwich is gross.
Yeah, I'm eating it.
I should have ate it while I had the chance. Now it's all yours.
Cool, man. Thanks.
No problem.
Can we go buy my shoes now? Wait, let me talk about my shirt.
What did you just say? Anton, what did you just say?
It tastes good.
You said it kind of tastes like ash.
No, it doesn't.
I hate you so much. Alright guys, well I guess this is going to be the end of the video. I didn't really plan on this kind of happening, but shit happens, makes for a good video, makes for content. So that's going to be it. Look at this guy, dude. You drink enough?
What?
We're ending it on that. See you tomorrow.